two coming at you. We really want to make sure that we are breaking every piece down when it comes to meal prepping.
The most important thing that you have to understand about carbohydrates is it's your second macronutrient, and it's crucial for your body if you are in a fitness journey.
That's kind of the first question that people will ask me even people that know me really well is, you're probably not eating any carbs. And my answer is always, I'm eating a lot of carbs actually. And our brains function most optimally when we are consuming carbohydrates. So they really are important. And at the end,
so we all know that 1 gram of carbohydrates is 4 calories. Does it matter where it's coming from? Not really. What the difference is you'll get is the nutrients in it.
Favorite, I will go off on rice cakes. I've never really gotten sick of rice cakes, and I probably eat like 8 a day maybe. Caramel is my favorite flavor.
And the most important amino acids is the leucine, and it's found all in animal protein. Animal protein basically has the highest amount of leucine. For example, 4 ounces of chicken will give you 1.8 to 2.2 grams of leucine.
So kind of like he talked about, my go-to protein sources that I eat, I am a meat eater, but we'll also talk about some vegetarian and vegan options as well. But yeah, finding yourself like a good whey protein powder that you are consuming.
But dividing your protein into meals throughout the day, not only it's going to be easy on the stomach, but it's going to provide you leucine all throughout the day, which can it's going to help you to provide you leucine in each and every single meal.
Making sure that your diet is whole food based, so you're not reaching for the packaged items and meals and things like that, because that's when you get a lot of ingredients that you just can't keep track of, or they're adding in a lot of oils and fats